Good day, ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Jay and welcome to my first project car, a Mark 1 Golf build. So we're going to start this video off with just a quick run around of what we're going to be expecting. We're going to be doing so much with this car. We're going to be the odds and ends, but from the beginning we are doing bodywork at the moment. So let me take you on a journey of how this is going to take place. So let me go show you what I've done so far, and let's go enjoy. So as far you can see already, I have the fenders taken off, grills taken off, bumper, busy with the bit of bodywork. As you can see, plate being welded in, arches, very plain and simple little car. Yeah, with a gonna be doing this, shaping this nicely. As you can see, most of the Golfs like to rust here, so we've been just shaping and getting shape in and all that. That's well done there. As you guys can see, a lot of work has been done so far, but this is my first ever episode of what we're going to be doing. As I said, this has got a lot of potential, and I hope for you guys to stay along and yeah, take it from there. So guys, now what we're going to be doing now is taking a block sandpaper. I think this is 400 grit or 40 grit sandpaper, and we're going to be working on the arch here. So what we're going to want to do is keep the block flat to get this line over here. I don't know if you guys can see that line, and then it gets that curve. So you want to get the flat line and the curve that's going on. So we're going to start with keeping the block right here, and we're going to slowly work it in. You see, you guys don't want to do it too fast and too rough. Serve energy, take it slow. As you can see, as you can feel, put that bit of a ridge there now that I want. Maybe do a bit more. Most important thing is to know is don't rush bodywork. This is, if you rush it, then you do a bad job. It's going to show up after the paint job. So take your time. It gets frustrating sometimes, but take your time, and it will come out right. To one day to a project that you like that's finished. So just take your time. Don't rush things. Perfection always takes time. So take it easy and just work through it. Okay, next is I'm going to go in here with my hand. So on the places I've got that shape now that I wanted here, that flat piece, and it goes to the curve. So now I want to take my hand, because I can't use a flat block here now, because it's going to make this flat and this. So I'm going to go in with my hand. Round the shape. Looking nice, I must say, looking nice. Let me show you guys here. As you guys can see, it's coming on nicely. There's some hollow spots, but we'll get there through now compared to up here. As you guys can see, that's coming on nicely. I must say, I'm really chuffed with that. Get you guys down nice and low here so you guys can see. Yeah, I did do that. Got a nice line going.
So the same as this one.
Yeah.
You know, I really got the,
Yeah.
so there you must bring it a little bit down. See the,
Ah,
you take
see
a
the
little
flat block.
and take it a little bit down.
Yeah.
Like that. Is it going to be a thin line here?
Ah, see now what you mean. Yeah, see, there we go.
The other side is
That is true. So what my dad has been showing me now is the line that must be here. It goes here, must be in line with the gutter. So it mustn't be in, it must come out, be flush with the line. So as we guys come have a look here. Oh, yeah, no. Excuse the sunlight. As you guys can see from here, it's just flush from here, so it goes downwards, you see. So, but I'm really happy with the project so far, guys. My dad's a little money in there, but as I said, I'm enjoying this. I wish I could work as much as I can, but got my own family and life responsibility, so we're taking our time, and you guys are going to join me on this journey. So, the block. Okay, so as my dad has been explaining, take a block, your sandpaper, and then with that line, get in there. I'm liking that, I'm liking that. See, get that shape going. Right there again. You see, and that's what I want to explain to you guys as well. With car builds and things like this, you don't really get to see what hard work and stuff goes into it. Most people and YouTubers don't show this kind of work. They just show adding on the aftermarket parts and aftermarket. I want to show you guys the true essence of what goes into getting a car how you want it. And hard work. That's hard work. I'm not gonna lie. Tiring. But at the end, you know you've done the work. So. That is looking fantastic. Just like that. We're gonna get a brush and we're gonna clean and we're gonna see what it's like. Got meneer Brussel over here. It's looking good, guys. Looking good. I'm really happy. Very smooth. There's some places here. Just like that. Gone. Nice and smooth. I'm very happy. There's a spot over here. I'm going to show you guys. Over here. I don't know if you guys can see this here. It's a bit of a bubble, so a little bit of work there. But it's going to be nice, as you guys can see. That line that goes here. So we're looking good, guys. Hope to see you guys again soon. Not much going on here. Just want to show you guys what I'm busy with at the moment. But stay tuned. Episode 2. More hard work. But hope you guys stay around, eh? It's going to be awesome fun. See you guys.